Welcome to the Matrix, a realm where the boundaries of reality blur and the possibilities are as infinite as the cosmos itself. Have you ever felt like there's more to life than meets the eye? Like the world around you is just a facade, hiding something much deeper and more profound? Like there's a hidden reality waiting to be unlocked? You're not alone. Many have sensed this underlying truth, a feeling that there's a greater purpose or a hidden layer to our existence. The Matrix, a concept made famous by the film, is more than science fiction. It's a powerful metaphor that resonates with our deepest intuitions about the nature of reality. It's a metaphor for the invisible forces that shape our lives. These forces are not just external but also internal, stemming from our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Imagine a world crafted by our own energy, our thoughts, and our emotions. That's the true Matrix. It's a dynamic, ever-changing tapestry woven by our collective consciousness. Every thought we think, every emotion we feel contributes to this intricate web of reality. We are not mere spectators, we are active participants in the creation of our world. Different cultures and philosophies have hinted at this truth for centuries. From ancient spiritual teachings to modern scientific theories, the idea that our reality is shaped by our consciousness is a recurring theme. The Matrix invites us to explore these ideas further, to question the nature of our reality, and to awaken to the power we hold within ourselves. In this journey of exploration, technology can be both a tool and a metaphor. Just as we navigate digital landscapes, we can learn to navigate the landscapes of our minds and spirits. The reflections we see in the mirror are not just physical. They represent the multiple layers of our being, each one offering a different perspective on who we are and what we can become. The quest for understanding the Matrix is a journey of self-discovery. It requires us to delve deep into our own minds, to question our beliefs, and to seek out knowledge from various sources. As we embark on this journey, we begin to see the connections between our inner and outer worlds. We realize that by changing our inner state, we can influence the world around us. It's time to awaken to this reality and understand the power we hold. The Matrix is not just a concept, it's an invitation to transform our lives and the world we live in. By embracing this understanding, we can navigate our lives with greater awareness and purpose. We can become the architects of our own reality, shaping it with intention and clarity. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immense. As we awaken to the true nature of the Matrix, we unlock the limitless potential of the human spirit. Welcome to the Matrix, a realm where the boundaries of reality blur and the possibilities are as infinite as the cosmos itself. The power within. This phrase holds a profound truth that resonates through the cosmos. Each of us is a powerful creator. We possess the innate ability to shape our reality with our thoughts and intentions. We are made of pure energy, vibrating at a unique frequency. This energy is the essence of our being, connecting us to everything around us. Our thoughts and emotions are energy too. They are powerful forces that influence our lives in ways we often don't realize. They emit signals into the universe like radio waves. These signals interact with the energy of the cosmos, creating ripples that affect our reality. What we focus on, we attract. Our attention acts as a magnet, drawing experiences and circumstances that match our dominant thoughts. Positive energy attracts positive experiences. When we cultivate joy, gratitude, and love, we invite more of these wonderful emotions into our lives. Negative energy, unfortunately, does the opposite. Fear, anger, and sadness can draw more of the same, creating a cycle that can be hard to break. It's the law of attraction. This universal principle teaches us that like attracts like, and by understanding this, we can harness the power within to create a life filled with abundance and joy. By aligning our thoughts and emotions with our desires, we can manifest our dreams. Visualization and meditation are powerful tools to help us focus our energy. Setting clear intentions and taking inspired action are also crucial. When we combine our inner power with purposeful actions, we become unstoppable. Remember, the power within is limitless. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch as your life transforms in extraordinary ways. Shaping your world. Imagine your life as a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. Positive thoughts are like seeds of beautiful flowers. They blossom into joy, love, and abundance. Negative thoughts are like weeds. They can choke your garden with fear, doubt, and lack. Choose your thoughts wisely. You have the power to cultivate a beautiful life. The rich get richer, the poor get poorer. This age-old adage has been a topic of discussion for centuries, and it continues to hold true in today's world. But why is this the case? What underlying factors contribute to this ever-widening gap between the wealthy and the impoverished? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth while others struggle? It's not just luck. There are deeper, more profound reasons behind this phenomenon. It's a combination of mindset, habits, and the environment in which one is raised. It's about their thoughts and beliefs about money. People who grow up in affluent families often inherit not just wealth, but also a mindset of abundance. They are taught to see opportunities where others see obstacles. They learn to take calculated risks and to invest wisely. Those who believe in abundance attract more of it. This is not just a New Age concept, it's backed by psychology. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. When you focus on positive outcomes and believe in your ability to achieve them, you are more likely to take actions that lead to success. Those who focus on lack, sadly, experience more of the same. When you are constantly worried about money, you are in a state of scarcity. This mindset can lead to poor financial decisions, such as not investing in your education or career, or not taking advantage of opportunities that come your way. It's time to shift your mindset. You deserve abundance too. Start by changing the way you think about money. Instead of seeing it as something scarce, see it as something that is abundant and available to you. Educate yourself about financial management, surround yourself with positive influences, and take proactive steps towards your financial goals. Remember, the journey to wealth begins in the mind. The first step to changing your reality is awareness. Recognize the negative thoughts and beliefs holding you back. Are you constantly worrying about money? Do you doubt your abilities? It's time to release those limiting beliefs. They are not serving you. The next step is to shift your focus to what you want to create. What are your dreams and desires? Believe in them with all your heart. See them as already achieved. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement of having them in your life. Write down your dreams and goals. Create a vision board with images that represent your desires. Visualize yourself living your dream life. Make it as real as possible in your mind. The universe will conspire to bring you what you desire. Action, the catalyst. While belief is crucial, action is equally important. The universe loves action. Take inspired action towards your goals. Even small steps can create massive shifts. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. That's where the magic happens. The universe is your partner. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. The universe is your partner. Trust in the process. Have faith that everything is unfolding perfectly. When you align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desires, miracles happen. Gratitude the key. Gratitude is the highest vibration. It's a powerful magnet for abundance. Be grateful for everything you have in your life, big or small. The more you appreciate, the more you receive. Claim your power. You are a powerful creator. Your life is a reflection of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Choose to focus on love, abundance, and joy. Believe in your dreams and take inspired action. The universe is waiting to support you. Your dream life awaits. Claim your power and create the reality you desire.